What's up YouTube? Today we get next by Danco HYR451 dual flash value and premium full value. So basically you have two types of flash in the toilet. It will be quick flash and full flash right there. It looks like this, whole kit. Let's go ahead, open it, check what we get inside. Receiving some zip tie, some extension to the side, the sink that controls the water level, and then you get in the flasher itself. This is the button part. Also you will get a little spring, button itself. These two types of flashing. One is this, you will see how to put it, the manual, and something else. You put all the pieces and plus this. This is the manual. Just follow steps. You might require some tools for it to install it, but just read everything correctly. We'll explain what this feature is for, like for you to control flow of the water, how I understand. Very nice rubber sealed. Pretty cool. Let it go right there. Don't know about nothing of this unit. We have here a zip tie, so it should go somewhere. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. Change from our old leaking system. Alright, everything is installed. How you can see right there. Get my old pieces. Just like this. I only need the pliers to install it. Pretty easy. Just plug all these, tie up this. So we have a full flash or we have halfway flash. So if you click this up, you can control the motor amount and then you can stop it. And then it will refill. Or, once it will fill up, or if you click this, it will just automatically flash all the water down. I put the sink like this, so it's leaking all the way there, not inside the sink. It was very easy to install. Pretty cool. Like it a lot. Very nice. Hope it lasts forever. Staying there. Thanks for watching, guys. Click like and subscribe.